Okay, so this is the Premier Gal keyboard from Editor Keys. I finally took the plunge. So I got this to help me with my editing, and I'm new to Premiere, so this is why I went with this. I've been following Premier Gal for a while and I hope this will help me out. I'm sure it will. So basically what this is a keyboard that helps editors know all the shortcuts. A nice little letter, I'll read that later, but it's supposed to be similar to the Apple Magic Keyboard. So let me just see what this is first. You get a USB-C cable. You can also get a little instruction booklet with it. Get a user guide, which is very useful. You can use it with 3 different settings. I will link down below to the main video which demos those features. So this is a nice metallic feel, so this is quality. It's not plastic or anything like that, it's solid metal. I'm not sure what it is, but it's very similar to the Apple keyboard in that way. You've got a USB-C cable there, then you've got the on and off button there, so I'll just turn that on. You've got the shift, which has got the different effects panels, etc. You've got the 3, so you can have 3 devices, so you could potentially use it on your iPad as well. You've got all the functions here. It feels really nice, well built, sturdy. I'm really impressed actually. I didn't think it'd be that nice a build quality, so looks good to me. Can't wait to try it out. Thanks guys.